Okay, so you've been studying the idea of fair division, the idea that we should divide things up evenly. What we're going to look at with gerrymandering is completely the opposite. The idea of using this idea of gerrymandering for unfair division. So if you're looking at this group, let's say this represents groups of people in certain areas in a state, all right? And this state has 3 seats in its Congress. Maybe it's a small state or a small country for that matter. And each district winner will be able to have a seat in that Congress. Now, let's notice as we stare at this that green dominates and orange does not. But let's say that the person who has control of where the districts are is a person who is of this orange political affiliation. So what that person wants to make sure is that the 3 seats in Congress are filled mostly by people who are of the orange persuasion. All right, so we're going to break this up into 3 districts, and whichever color dominates, we can think of whatever political power it is in that district dominates, that's what's going to win the seat. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I am going to, as this orange person who wants to control the Congress, I know that probably I can't win all 3 seats, but I can probably win 2 out of the 3 seats. And you might think, well, how is that possible? There's more green here than there is orange. Well, it's all in how we divide it up. I'm going to put all of these green people in this one district. Now, clearly, the green is going to win that district because there's nothing but green people in there. All right? But I'm going to put this group right here together. And because there's more orange than green, orange will win this district. And I'm going to put these right here together. And because there's more orange than green, orange will win this district. So the 3 districts that we have, notice there will be a winner for orange here, a winner for orange here, and a winner for green here. So the 3 seats in Congress will be filled by 2 orange and 1 green representative. And in other words, in Congress, the orange will dominate because the orange has more people voting for its particular political issues than the green. This is the idea of gerrymandering. The fact that one political party can have control of where the districts go, and that leads to power in the House even when they are a minority among the entire state. As we see here, the orange is a minority, and there's more people who believe in the green political party. So this is what you want to do as you do the exercises. You want to think about whichever color it tells you to allow to dominate. You want to think about, okay, how can I help that power to dominate? And there's a lot of different ways you could divide them up to make that happen.